I'm going to show you how to take a video like the one I'm shooting right now and turn it to this in a matter of minutes for free with your smartphone. Step one is to shoot a video with your cell phone. So use it vertically or horizontal. Typically, if you are shooting a reel like this one here, you're going to want to shoot it vertically. Use a teleprompter or just shoot something naturally. It doesn't really matter. What you're trying to do is get this talking head effect and then remove the background. We're going to show you how to do that in an app called CapCut. Okay, so step one is opening a new project. You're going to select the photo that's going to go on the background. You want to select the photo first because it's going to default to the vertical style for you. Then you're going to go in and select a video as an overlay. You're going to adjust the size of the video and position. Then you're going to scroll over until you find the background remover. You're going to auto background remove and wait for that to finish. Now that that's finished, you'll see that the background is removed. And we're going to go and we're going to stretch out the length of the photo to match up with the video. And you're going to see that there's a little clip at the back that it's a CapCut ending. You're going to delete that and make sure that it's lined up. You're going to go back to the beginning and you're going to select onto the first tab. So not on the video tab. You'll notice on the video tab here that you won't find the spot that we're looking for, which is auto captions. So you're going to have to click off of that, go and select the photo one, and then you're going to see that captions is there, and you're going to go down into the templates, and you can find any of those templates. You're going to find out that the pro versions give you some really cool templates that you can use for auto caps. Those are typically what you would see on most of the stuff that you're probably seeing online, but you can pick any of the free ones. They're great too. I would highly suggest upgrading to pro. It is a game changer and cheap app to have. You're going to select the one that you want and let it generate. And once that's all done, you can adjust the sizes and adjust the position. You can go through and see if any of the spelling has errors in it. I find that it's very accurate with the auto captions here in CapCut, where you don't have to do too much editing on your part. And so just go through the video, make sure everything's great and everything's accurate. And then you're just going to make sure that everything's lined up at the end here. Once again, clip anything that's excess. If you do see that auto CapCut ending populate again, get rid of it again, and then make sure it's all lined up. Then you're going to export the video. Please make sure to like this video, and if you have any questions at all, leave them in the comments. For more tips in tech or business, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel.